Hey guys, back to school. Here we go. This is your third week in preparing for the end of the semester. This is my second week back. We will begin with lesson 90 here for your 7th grade math. But let's begin with prayer. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this day. Thank you for this week, another week that these kids are away from the school building, but they are still working hard to continue their education. Lord, I ask that you will be with each one of them, that you will guide and direct them, that you will give them strength and encouragement as they do their homework, that you will be with those that need a physical touch, that you will help each one of us to be encouraged and to continue to draw closer to you, and to do our very best in everything that we do and say. Lord, we love you. We thank you for all of your goodness to us. We give you all the praise. Amen. All right, we are ready for lesson 90. Lesson 90, 7th grade math. Here we go. Today, our assignment is talking about mixed number coefficients and negative coefficients. So starting off on page 610, we have this. We have 4/5 x equals 7. And we are supposed to solve this. Now, if you remember from what we have been doing, with 4/5 and x side by side, it means we are multiplying those. And hopefully you also remember that to solve this, we're trying to get x by itself. So to do that, we need to bring our 4/5 across the equal sign. When we do that, don't forget, we put our cell number 1, and we are dividing by 4/5. Now, when we divide, that means that we need to bring this up here and turn it into a multiplication. We're dividing by fractions. So it becomes 5/4. So if we rewrite it, x equals 7/1 times 5/4. And now we simplify. 7 times 5, 35. 1 times 4 gives us 4. To simplify that even farther, 4 into 35 goes 8 times, which is 32. 35 minus 32 gives us a remainder of 3. So 8 3/4 is our final answer. So on example 1, 3 1/3 x equals 5. And again, we are solving for x. So first, convert to improper. 3 times 3 gives me 9, plus 1 gives me 10. So I have 10/3 x equals 5. We're solving for x, so we're going to take our 10/3 over. Since we're multiplying on this side, I'm going to take it over here and divide. Again, don't forget, when we're dividing by a fraction, we invert and multiply. So 5/1 times, flip that, 3/10. 2 ways you can solve it. Solve straight across, or I like to simplify. 5 goes into 5 1 time, into 10 2 times. So we reduced, we crossed out, now we multiply. 1 times 3, 3, 1 times 2, 2. Simplify that to a mixed number of 1 1/2. So simplify. Example 2. We have 2 1/2 y equals 7/8. Improper. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 5/2 y 7/8. Okay? Now, hopefully you're starting to remember and get the hang of these. Multiplying here means I'm going to bring it over and divide. And when I divide by a fraction, we invert and multiply. So the top would stay the same, 7/8 times 2/5. Again, simplify. 2 goes into 2 once, into 8 4. 7 times 1, 7. 4 times 5, 20. So our answer there is 7/20. So that takes us through example 1 and 2. Well, this is technically not example 2. They have a 1 in front of there. Still works out the same way, okay? It's going to look different than the one in your book, but it'll be okay. All right, moving on. Negative coefficients. Let's look at example 3. Example 3. Negative 2/3 x equals 4/5. Still going to set it up and solve it the same way. We're going to take our 2/3 over and divide. Dividing by a fraction means we invert it. So we now have 3/2, still a negative. Simplify. 2 goes into 2 once, into 4 twice. 2 times a negative 3. So positive times a negative, negative 6. 5 times 1 over 5. Simplify that. Negative, because I have a negative divided by a positive. 5 goes into 6, 1. 1 left over. Negative 1 and 1/5. Now on example 4, very similar, except now we're actually dealing with decimals. Negative 5x equals 0.24. Again, bring this over and divide. So we're going to set up a division problem. Top divided by the bottom. Now, positive divided by negative means my answer is going to be negative. Opposite signs, multiplication and division, means we have a negative. Simply divide. 5 into 2, 0. 5 into 24 goes 4. Bring down our 0. 5 into 40, 8. Again, positive divided by negative gives me a negative 0.048. So, the biggest difference for today's lesson is positives and negatives, and if you have a mixed number, you're converting to improper, taking it over and dividing. Don't forget, dividing by a fraction, we need to flip it and multiply times the reciprocal. Okay? So on today's lesson, lesson 90. Cross out number 20. So do not do number 20. Cross that one out. Otherwise, lesson 90, problem 1 through 30. Also, tomorrow, which will be Monday's, this is Thursday's assignment, Monday's assignment is a test. So in your packet, you will have the test, I believe it's test 17. I want you to do your very best to do that without your book. If you need help from your parents, or if you need help from me, don't be afraid to call, text, message, and we will do our best to get you some help, okay? Lesson 90, don't do number 20, test on Monday. We'll see you. Have a great day.